Hello and welcome to Typing Agent. If you're teaching a class, there might be some hands-on activities, certificates of encouragement and achievement, or information for parents that you might want to send home. If this is the case, we've got a handy arsenal of downloadable and printable tools for you to use and help your classroom thrive. To find these resources, first, we're going to go ahead and select the Classroom button from your dashboard. Then, go to your Agent Gadgets drop-down menu on the right-hand side of the screen. Now you're going to see your options. First thing, you've got the Add Teachers option. To add additional teachers means that another teacher at your school will have to access your classroom. This can be really helpful if you have a substitute, or if you have a co-teacher, or even a teacher's assistant. Then, you can export your students. When you pick this, you'll export your classroom's roster to a CSV file for you to upload and to use again. Then, we have the editable parent letter available in both English and Spanish. This is a message template to customize and download to send out to parents to inform them about Typing Agent and all the things they can expect in their child's classroom. The K2 Pre-Type Activity Booklet, the K2 Offline Activities Booklet, the K2 Plus Offline Activities Booklet, and the Keyboard Cutout Activity are some fun coloring book style packets that you might be interested in using for your younger students. The pre-type specifically is designed for those who are not yet familiar with a computer or keyboard. It's designed to be both a precursor and perhaps an additional add-on to our K2 typing curriculum, so please have fun. The K2 Grade Level Certificate of Completion is a certificate of completion that you can print out for your students who have finished their grade level of the K2 curriculum. By choosing this, you'll be downloading a file of JPEG certificates that you can print and award to each student as they finish their curriculums. The K2 Grade Level of Certificate of Great Improvement is a certificate that signifies that your K2 students have made significant improvements in their average words per minute and accuracy. The Keyboarding Foundation 3+ Grade Level Certificate of Completion is a certificate of completion that you can print out for your students who have finished their grade level of the Keyboarding Foundation's 3+ curriculum. The Keyboarding Foundation's 3+ curriculum Grade Level Certificate of Great Improvement is a certificate that signifies that your Keyboarding Foundation's 3+ students have made significant improvements in average words per minute and accuracy over the course of the year. The Digital Citizenship Certificate is a certificate used to award students for finishing the Digital Citizenship curriculum. Then, when you create an announcement for your class, you'll be writing up a message that pops up first before anything else automatically for every student in your classroom. You might use this if you'd like to remind everyone about an upcoming test, grading, or just to say a word of encouragement. Lastly, but most certainly not least, if you delete your classroom, please note that this cannot be undone. And by deleting your classroom, your students will be unassigned. If your students are unassigned, then they will be still taking up a license without having an account. It's only recommended if you do this if your classroom is completely empty of students and you've already allocated those students to their new proper classrooms. Should you have any more questions about Agent Gadgets or what to do next, or even about any other area of the program, go ahead and check out our Solution Center by clicking the link I've provided in the description down below. Our Solution Center is always growing to better suit your needs and answer any questions you may have. You can always check out the rest of our YouTube channel for plenty of helpful videos to guide you along. If you find that you're still confused, you can always reach out to support via the chat or by emailing us at support@typingagent.com. We hope you have a great time exploring the world of keyboarding with your students.